I gotta tell you, it's a great day for breaking bolts, people. The last bolt I put in, right down here, that one right there, 18 foot-pounds, more like 25. So, shit. Son of a gun. Right. Well, now I'm breaking my cameras. You guys can see. Oh my god. Wow. Supposed to drop my light too. God dang. Did I break it? No. There we go. Alright. Jesus. Don't tell me it's dead. Ah, there you go. Well then, I have to figure something out. With this. Well, that sucked. Let me rethink this. Move you guys over here. Alright, we got our drill. We got a pre-marked depth drill bit. I don't think it's in a water jacket. So, I have to bend you down even more. Right there. Hopefully that'll stay. Okay. Alright, yeah. So it's this hole. We got our mark drill bit here. We're gonna drill this out. See how this goes. Oh, that didn't go through. That just the drill bit came off the chuck. Okay, let's try this again. Find my hole. I'm right-handed, so being left-handed sucks right now. Oh, don't tell me it went over there. Yeah. Let me get a magnet, or not a magnet. A mirror. Let me get a mirror. Let's start with that. Let's see. Okay. We are gonna tap this too. Retap the threads. Let me get a punches. We might get lucky. And turn this thing out of here. I mean, after all, it's only 18 foot-pounds, right? There's a little ridge on that bolt. See if I can find it. Stay in the center. Oh my gosh, this is... I'm right-handed, so... I'm doing everything with my left. It's twice as much difficult. Oh, don't you do that. Okay, I went to the tape. That sucked. Okay. So we'll get this going. I got some new hardware. New bolts is what I should have put in it to begin with. New water pump bolts and new pulley bolts. So I'm gonna keep working on this and we'll check back in. There it is. There's the piece. If it can focus. I just kissed those threads on here. I just drilled in to kiss, you know, to take off that top layer. Damn, focus. Take off the top layer of threads. Dang. Okay. So it wasn't much. And I was able to get it out with a pair of needle nose. You know, twisted it out of there. So now we are clear for reinsertion. And there's the hole. As you can see, it does not go into a water jacket at all. The water jacket is, where is that? It's up in here somewhere, right up in here and then down in here. So, or maybe it's in here. Yeah, it's like all in this hole. And then over in here, right there. So, we're good there. And the new one threads in just fine. So we're gonna reinstall this time with some new hardware. And we're gonna finish getting this put back together. Stay tuned for more upcoming sections to this video. Now, in the words of Ray over at Rain Man Ray's Repairs, only reason why I mention this channel is because he has a saying that goes, "I love my job so much I do it twice." I don't know why. I think everyone that watches his channel has his sayings down like a, you know, like nothing. Because, you know, in cases like these, you know, I got this bolt out, but then on my Torx, when I went to torque down the new water pump, I broke the bottom one. So we're gonna be drilling and tapping and putting an insert in, a thread insert, so we can finally get this water pump on and torqued down and move on with my life. Some parts of this engine I've been stuck on, and well, this one's given me the most grief. I don't think I had the right torque wrench per se. It was a 3/8. It only went from 20 to let's see, it only went from 20 to 100, and I need 18. So 18 foot-pounds converts into like 220 inch-pounds. And it also converts into 24.90 Newton meters. So I did get me a 3/8, another, well, it's a 1/2 inch rather. The 1/2 inch it starts out at 10 foot-pounds. So all we got to do is, let's see, it goes 10, then 20 on this side, then 30, then 40 and 50, blah, blah, blah. But since there's no 18, 10 plus what equals 18? Well, that's 8. So we're going to line our 8 right about, that's not it. Bring it around one more time, right about there. That's 18. We can still see 20, but we're past 10. Then we just lock it down. Oop. Hold it, lock her down. Okay, there's our 18 foot-pounds. Okay, now we'll just get an adapter, 1/2 inch adapter to a 3/8, and we'll torque them down when we put this thing on. Let's get to drilling. Now for this case, because it's the bottom, I jacked up the engine just a little bit more so I can get some clearance, but still with my other drill I wasn't getting any clearance. So I'm going to use a right angle drill for this by Bauer. No sponsor, just what I got to use. We have our tape marked again on the drill bit. Okay, so if you can see, I got my tape marked. That's the depth, so we're only going as deep as that tape. And it's a 1/4 inch drill bit because we're going to stick in a 1/4 inch insert. Come on, get out of there. Already starting off to a bad day. Whoop. Yeah, okay. You want to keep the drill bit straight. Woohoo! Back her out of there. Okay. Now I gotta get something to suck all that out of there. We gotta tap this next. Okay, we're going to run this tap in. Back it out. Run it back in. Run it out, back in, Back out. Back in. Back out. Okay. There we go. And back in one more time for good measure. And back out. Okay. All right. Now we will vacuum this out and prep that hole. All right, let's get this thing back on, hopefully for the last time. Let's hope and pray that I will not break another bolt. These are just 1/4 inch thread bolts, so we're gonna hand tighten them all the way down, so that way when we torque them, the torque wrench will not travel very far, causing it to potentially break. We're gonna try to think of everything, but you guys all know that that's probably the only thing. Maybe, just maybe, you will not get to see me cry on camera. Alright, I've got a 1/2 inch down to 3/8 adapter, and then the 3/8 adapter goes down into a 1/4 inch. Call me crazy. I got one more down here to thread in, if I can see it. Come on, where are you? There you go. There it is. There, I found the hole. I can't do that with my left hand. Right-handed people problems. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I can't even get this started. I've got the insert in there. I drilled and tapped it and put a coil in there, a new threaded insert. I'll find it later. Okay, we're gonna set our torque wrench setting to 18. Okay, now we're going to lock it down right at 18. Okay, and we'll commence. Oh, on these, you'll want to pull the torque wrench toward you, never pushing. Okay, that one kind of tight. We're just going to go around and getting them a little bit tighter as we go. Okay, they're starting to feel tight now. I need this out of my way. That's a little tight spot right there. Make sure this is good. Let's check and make sure we're still on 18 foot-pounds. We are. Ooh, I felt something there. Okay, All right. So now that this is on, I'll go ahead and end this now. We'll find that bottom bolt, and then in the next video you'll see me putting on the heads. So join again next time for when we reassemble the heads onto the engine block. We'll also I'm probably not going to film it, but I'm going to get the rest of my pulleys on here, except for the tensioner and pulley, because that attaches to this side of the head. That's the you know, we'll have our belt on, you know, on, not mounted on the pulleys, but we'll have the belt on with the engine mount installed, and then we just really just gotta put everything else back on. So yeah, well, stay tuned and be looking out for that video. Thank you for watching this exciting series about water pump. You probably know a lot more than what you used to know. So we'll see you next time. Thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm behind on some cars. Car of the month for September is the 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. It's got the 351 Ram Air right there. A Cleveland 351 Cleveland engine with the Ram Air. That's a V8 engine to you guys that don't know. You probably know. Next one for October, my fave. This one is my favorite. I should just have this on this. I should have just put this on October the whole year. Ah, dang it. Alright. It's the 1969 Dodge Charger RT. Why is it RT? Because it says so right there, RT. Body line on these are just phenomenal. Look at that body line. It's like aerodynamics, man. I personally don't like the vinyl top. I'd rather have a hard top. So, got the mag chrome wheels. Yeah. 69. The car for November. See if I can do this one-handed. Come on, get up in there. Yeah! This is a 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX Hemi. Why is it a GTX? Let's see. GTX Focus. It's a GTX. Gotta believe me, folks. It's a Plymouth. And it's got the Hemi badge. So, 1967. Plymouth Belvedere. That's the car of the month. So now when I do my videos, I don't have to do the car of the month until next month. So, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.